royal ball. Now let's try Aurora. This is the way I fall asleep, I fall asleep, I fall asleep. This is the way I fall asleep, waiting for my prince. This is the way I fall asleep, I fall asleep, I fall asleep. This is the way I fall asleep, waiting for my prince. Now let's try Elsa. This is the way I cast a spell, cast a spell, cast a spell. This is the way I cast a spell, building icy stairs. This is the way I cast a spell, cast a spell, cast a spell. This is the way I cast a spell, building icy stairs. What's missing? I know. A princess needs her crown. And of course, and a pair of beautiful shoes. Here they are. Let's put on our fancy shoes, fancy shoes, fancy shoes. Let's put on your fancy shoes. Can you walk with me? This is the way a princess walks, a princess walks, a princess walks. This is the way a princess walks, tall and gracefully. And now the final touch. Oh, you look so beautiful! But how will the princess get to the palace? I know, a carriage! You can help us, Baby John. Done! A princess rides a special way, special way, special way. A princess rides a special way to the royal ball. You are a pretty princess now, princess now, princess now. You are a pretty princess now, the fairest of them all.
Oh, what a beautiful princess! And what a beautiful dress! Oh, Baby John, you're so cute!
Oh?
Oh, I am a princess, a princess, a princess. Oh, I am a princess, and this is what I do.
I want to be a princess too. Aha! Daddy, I'm a princess, and you will be the king of my palace.
Huh? A what?
Rapunzel likes to comb her hair, to comb her hair, to comb her hair. Rapunzel likes to comb her hair all day long.
I really want some magic hair too.
Oh?
Ah!
Snow White likes to dance around, dance around, dance around. Snow White likes to dance around through the forest trees.
Oh, she's so pretty. I want another dress so I can sing and dance in the woods. Daddy, come with me.